Ladies, I'm Jill Stoppel Davis, owner of Excel Wellness Studio here in Overland Park, Kansas. It is back to school time, and I know all my busy moms out there are excited to get some time back to themselves. That's why I'm reaching out today. We run awesome programs that help you dive into your fitness and nutrition and deliver real, lasting results, not just quick fixes, not supplements and shakes and egg whites and broccoli. We use nutrition programs that talk about real food, teach you about nutrition, and I give you real delicious recipes that your whole family will love. So what we specialize in here is working with busy moms that just don't have time for long workouts. We deliver a very small group, 4 ladies per world-class coach, in 30-minute sessions. You get in, you get out, you make friends in your session. It's a great community of like-minded fitness friends, no matter what your fitness level is. We help you get stronger, fitter, feel great, and look better. In our programs, we get great results. We use a smartphone app specific for Excel Wellness Studio that delivers great accountability. You actually get to check in with me every single day, and I'm coaching you every step of the way. We tell you exactly what to eat. We have meal templates that you follow. We have shopping lists. I mentioned we have great recipes. We cover it all. And we keep you super accountable and dialed in so that you're making change, that you're making easy change that you can keep going. So this program kicks off September 9th through October 20th. It is so popular that the word got out early, and I literally only have 6 spots left in our small group sessions. We do, of course, have a private option and a virtual option if you don't live near us. But I would encourage you to reach out quickly. You can call me, you can comment if you're seeing this on Facebook, you can follow the link, and we'll get you an application to see if you're a good fit or a fit for our time slots. For anyone that reaches out before the end of next week, gets to come in a couple weeks early and start the workouts before the program kicks off on September 9th. So I can't wait to hear from you. Let's get you fit and feeling back to you.